The concept of robots battling one another has existed in science fiction for decades, but it has officially become a reality. China recently hosted what organizers describe as the world's first large-scale humanoid robot fighting tournament, offering a glimpse into how far robotics and artificial intelligence have progressed. Beyond its entertainment value, the event served as a technology showcase, highlighting machines that are becoming increasingly agile, coordinated, and capable of real-time decision-making. Organized by Engine AI, the competition featured its T-800 humanoid robots. Rather than allowing each team to build custom machines, all competitors were required to use the same robot platform. This setup shifted the focus entirely to software programming, AI, and control strategies over expensive hardware modifications, ensuring a level playing field where engineering talent determined the winner. Organizers describe as the world's first large-scale humanoid robot fighting tournament, offering a glimpse into how far robotics and artificial intelligence have progressed. Beyond its entertainment value, the event served as a serious technology showcase, highlighting machines that are becoming increasingly agile, coordinated, and capable of real-time decision-making. More than 30 teams entered the tournament after being selected from a competitive pool of applicants. Engineers, researchers, and robotics specialists spent months refining movement algorithms and training their robots to react swiftly in combat. Every punch, kick, dodge, or recovery from a fall required thousands of calculations executing in near real time. One of the tournament's most memorable moments occurred during a match between two robots, White Eagle and Matador. White Eagle landed a powerful kick that knocked Matador's head completely off, a dramatic moment that quickly went viral on social media. Surprisingly, despite losing its head, Matador kept operating long enough for officials to tally the points, ultimately winning the match based on its dominant performance earlier in the bout. Moments like this demonstrate the remarkable durability of modern humanoid robotics. Engineers are moving beyond basic bipedal locomotion. They are now designing robots that can recover from falls, absorb impacts without losing balance, and function despite structural damage. These exact capabilities will be critical in real-world applications like emergency response, hazardous environment navigation, and disaster recovery. The tournament also highlighted rapid advancements in AI. Delivering a precise strike required a seamless combination of computer vision, fast decision-making, and high-precision motor control. Split-second delays meant missed opportunities or lost balance.